A powerful no. Body language is the most powerful thing to use when mastering the art of no. Use body language. Offer a talk to the hand gesture or the universal sign for stop. Before you utter a word, shake your head no. Hold your hand up when the taskmaster or the person begging you for help again, someone who wants something you don't want to do, just put the hand up. It's a wait gesture. And don't look at them. Make yourself busy. Pretend you're doing something even if you're not. And shake your head no while holding your hand up. And this will make them really uncomfortable. They are probably thinking right at this point, uh-oh, the no day has arrived for their no. You could add a slow, long no, all while focusing on something other than the asker, and make no eye contact. Later, when you're more confident in your no, and you've really mastered the art, and you've replaced a bad habit of yes with the good habit of no, you can look at them, say whatever you want, do whatever you want. Once you're confident, and you will stand your ground and not be shaken. But until then, make no eye contact. And you really don't ever need to. You don't need to offer them any more of your time than you have. Just simple no. The body language of no. Point to the watch on your wrist. I realize most people don't wear a watch anymore, but it is still a universal symbol. Even if you don't wear a watch, you can just point to the watch. While you're not looking at them, no eye contact. Remember, stay focused on anything other than you're doing, but you can pull up body language, a gesture, and it's effective. If you like, say absolutely nothing and do not look at them. While you're doing the finger to the wrist, shake your head no. Always shake your head no. People know what this means, and it works. The thumbs down. This is one of the more popular modern gestures. No, it's like, oh, are you kidding me? No way, get out of here. Offer the thumbs down gesture when a taskmaster approaches you or anyone asking you to do something you know you don't want to do. These are repeat offenders. Do not offer eye contact. Again, don't ever offer eye contact. Stay focused on something else. If you're in a conversation with someone else, stay in the conversation. Put the thumbs down. Shake your head no. Wave them away. Put your hand up. Wag your finger in the air like your parents, like making the gesture back and forth, the no gesture with your finger. Wagging your finger. These all make a good point. You're busy. You're no longer available. And they know you deserve to take a pass for, let's say the next 100 years. Shh. Offer the universal shh sign. You don't have to make the shh noise, but just the gesture alone. Remain focused on anything other than the asker. This is a clear sign they're intruding on something more important. They should shuffle off. Use these simple body language and gestures. They are very effective. And remember, regardless of which one you choose to use at any given time, always shake your head no, very slowly, because you're calm, cool, and collected. Slowly shake your head no and offer any of the gestures we've covered. The power of no is yours.